Where'd you go? You want to come up? Yes. Hello. Casey's going back and forth on her perch because she wants up. Okay, now you got come here. Come step up. Good girl. What a good parrot. What are you looking at? Eh? What? Did you quack? Casey, step up. Good girl. Good girl. You went back on your perch. Good girl. Oh, we're rubbing our beak on the bear. Oh, my gosh, our Casey. Casey. Come, you come. Good girl. Oh, they're excited. I'm like, ah. No, you want to go see him. That's what you want to go do. No. Casey. Go. Good girl. What? Kind of.